soared so grand, a flash of brilliance across the land. So colorful and vibrant, a sight to behold, a precious jewel, a story to be told. With lots of energy, a blur in the air, flitting and darting beyond compare. A good pollinator, nature's sweet friend, smallest and cute till the very end. Its wings a whisper, a delicate beat, sipping nectar, a sugary treat. From flower to flower it gracefully goes, helping life blossom, as everyone knows. With